Good morning. Yesterday was super sick. My first day ever at USAIR. Saw some really cool cars as well. Got a couple tandems. I think there's some new drivers out here as well. So I want to go check out some of those cars and obviously get some fun ass driving in. For now, we'll go try out intermediate course, jam on that a little bit. Let's do this. First time chasing on the advanced layout too. That's so fun. Oh. If you guys want support, by the way, we have channel memberships. Just click the join button at the bottom of the video or on my channel. It's literally only $3. You can buy me or Aaron a coffee or energy drink every month, and we'll be adding on new perks and new levels in the future. But whew, let's get back out there. He's just lap after lap being an animal.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh, so good, dude. Just a little kiss.
Kinda.
You kind of went savage right on that last one, though.
Yeah, awesome. I hit that one pretty good. I'm like, you just go. He goes, you keep going deeper and deeper, don't you? It's like, well, yeah.
Dude.
So.
I don't know how, but these events keep getting better and better. This is so sick. Did you have a wing end on here at one point?
I did.
Hell yeah, I did.
I have no idea where it went, but yes, I did.
You're gonna be at proving grounds, right?
I don't know yet.
No?
I haven't bought a ticket yet.
All right.
So.
Well, let's get some driving in again soon.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Too freaking fun.
Absolutely. Otherwise, I'm making a trip to wherever the hell you're at on the West Coast.
Yeah.
So.
You guys, look who came to say hi. B-Man himself.
Poor man, poor
I'm sure if you watch the sim drifting videos and that stuff, if you're in the Discord, you know who B-Man is. So cool to finally meet you in person. It's so funny because like I know your voice so well, dude. And it's so cool like putting the human behind the voice. We're gonna go check out a couple cars. There's like this like team of cars over here. I wanna go check them out, so let's get it. All right, so these guys just showed up today. They weren't here yesterday. This is so cool. All these cars freaking match. I love the freaking candy red. So we got an S14. Yeah, this thing's sick. God, I love the projector headlight too. Yeah. What wing is this?
What's that?
What kind of wing is this?
I made it myself.
Oh, really? Sick. Sick wheels on it too. Then we got this thing. This is freaking radical too. Whoa, there's like carbon on the wing end? It's freaking sick. This thing's mean looking. Right-hand drive, of course. Very freaking cool. Then we got this S13. All right, you know we had to check out another Skyline.
Yeah.
This thing's sick.
Got RB25 Neo in it.
Oh, you got a Neo in it. Very cool.
Yeah. Just kind of simple, cut and shut.
Yeah. And it looks good, just like clean, all engine bay painted and everything. Yep. It's freaking nice.
Yeah, I just had it got it all painted one color this year and try to match as close as we can. That color, not really, but
It's sick.
yeah, it's just simple.
Full interior, everything.
Yep.
What kind of mirrors are those?
Aero marker.
Aero marker.
Yeah. Yep.
This thing's clean, dude.
It was, and then I had a little date with the wall. Final battle special stage, but we got her pulled back out and we'll get her fixed up.
You're driving it hard. That's good.
That was just being dumb, but it's all good.
Whatever, it happens. All right, Aaron's gonna be stoked on this one. We found a sick ass Miata. I'm sure he knows of it. What's your name, dude?
I'm Zach Whiting.
Matt. Nice to meet you, bro. So, tell me about this thing a little bit.
Stock NA Miata, all suspension. That's pretty
Which
much
looks good. Like, the kit, sick. Blitz wheels, God. So you're all about like, you're driving it hard, stylish as
Yeah.
hell yeah, dude. God, this thing's sick. I love the reverse livery too.
Yeah, you know, a lot of people have issues driving a stock Miata. You know, a lot of people have issues driving a stock Miata, and I feel like it's more than possible, so I kind of like drive this to like show everyone it doesn't really take much to go out and have fun and do your own
That's
thing.
freaking killer. No, this thing's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
I love it. Fitment's sick too, freaking low. The exhaust is cool too. This thing's sweet, dude. Vertex steering wheel, hell yeah. Is that shirt's tucked in shift knob too? Nice. One more thing you guys gotta see, I noticed this when I was rolling up, but the heat shield is a license plate. That's freaking cool, dude. I love it. It's sick. All right, finally, lunch break is over. We're gonna jam back out there. Let's do this. I'm pumped up. Damn it. I need to review the footage, but I'm pretty sure my was like locking me out of second. That's what I was feeling, at least. And I was trying to grab second like over and over and over again, and I could not to go in. And then I just straightened out and it was going so freaking slow. And he just had nowhere to go. That was completely my fault. Nothing wrong with that, that's cool. All good. This bash bar did its job, but it's definitely like touching the tire now. I believe I have one more, so we'll swap that, and I just want to check the rear wheel and then we'll get back out there, but all good. It's literally already fixed. Those 15 seconds. Thank you, dude. We just pulled it back out, literally. So, Gucci. guy's a freaking ripper. That was so fun.
I don't know how I caught up with you.
That's awesome, dude.
Dope as hell.
I threw the afterburners on you on the straight.
Yeah.
It was so fun.
That was so fun, dude. I think you got me like a little bit right there. A little scuff. Oh, sure. Okay.
Hell yeah,
That was
dude.
dope as
So fun.
yeah.
I need him f***ing me off. Oh. Yeah, I'm ending it after that session. That was just a sick way to end the day. So, thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.
So fun.
Yeah, thanks for the experience, dude.
Dude, thank you.
I'm
No.
proud of myself. I could keep up with you.
Yeah.
So
No, you did, dude.
That gives me some hope.
Killed it. Oh, all right. I am worn out. Subscribe, stay tuned for that. Also, check out this video, and we'll see you soon. Peace.